Have you ever thought what life would be like without the internet?
Wah.
From phones to watches, technology is a big part of our lives. But not all of us can access technology. Some people are left out of the benefits of these devices. This is the digital divide. It's affected by things like where you live, because internet access can be slower and less reliable, or there can be no services at all. And it can be more costly depending on where you live. Affordability is another concern, as the cost of reliable and quality services and devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops can be a barrier. And it's also affected by the skills, knowledge, and ability to use technology effectively. This means that many people do not have the same opportunity to access the internet and use technology. Those who live in rural areas, those who experience low income, and seniors are some of the groups experiencing the digital divide. The COVID-19 stay-at-home orders and isolation requirements put a spotlight on the digital divide issue. During this time, the internet became the main way many people accessed work, school, health, social services, friends and family, and even shopping for essentials, such as food. During the pandemic, people caught in the digital divide were left with fewer options to socialize, learn, work, and access vital information and essential services. To address this, community partners in the Timiskaming Health Unit area came together to launch the Closing the Digital Divide project. Local partners sought funding, purchased devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops, and set up internet payment plans. They then helped connect community members experiencing the digital divide to access these supports. As of May 3, 2022, this project has helped 398 community members who experience financial barriers to accessing technology and or internet connections. When counting household members who also use the devices or internet services, a total of nearly 713 people were helped by this project. People who received devices or internet services had this to say.
It's very nice to have internet now, so I can keep in touch with my daughter and my family.
With the laptop, I'm able to use voice apps and talk with multiple people all over the world and locally. I suffer from extreme clinical depression, and all the actual voice conversations help to fight the depression this time of year especially.
My daughter has been able to do online homework when there has been snow days recently.
I never would have been able to pass my semester without this laptop, so I am super grateful.
These are just some of the comments from clients who were able to stay connected through the Closing the Digital Divide project. Project partners also shared their thoughts on the project, and here's what some of them had to say.
Thank you for providing this service. It provides our clients a means to participate in training, life, and so much more during the pandemic.
This contributed to our low-income clients that live in rural areas to keep in contact with appointments and with schoolwork.
What a great initiative. Thank you. I wish it could last longer.
Funding is limited. There are still many that could benefit from this project.
These quotes help to describe the impact of the Timiskaming Closing the Digital Divide project. Findings from a formal evaluation of the project will be available from the Timiskaming Health Unit. This project was a band-aid solution to a high-need time. The digital divide is still a big problem in our communities. The importance of internet to everyday life has been identified by the Canadian Radio, Television and Telecommunications Commission, which recognizes internet access as a basic service, as well as the United Nations, which acknowledges internet as a human right. Actions are needed to address the root causes of the digital divide so that no one is left behind and everyone has equal opportunity to thrive.
This work was possible thanks to all the referral organizations and community partners who took part in this project. To learn more about this project, please see the Timiskaming Health Unit website or scan this QR code to find out more.